Element TV ELEFW408.
Alright, this TV, someone just dropped it off for recycling and it has no power. So we asked the customer if they want to fix it and they said they don't want the TV. So I'm just gonna try to look at it, see if we can fix it and do a video about it. Because now the TV is not worth to fix the TVs, this old and this brand. So the TV is plugged in, but we have no standby light here. There is a common issue with this kind of the TV. The apron program goes bad, but when we have a bad apron, at least we need to have some light here. So let's check the voltage in the big capacitor first. Voltage in the big capacitor, we have 160 volt. Right, let's check the voltage in the output diodes. So we put this one in the ground and we check. So right here we have 0 volt, 41 volt, 41 volt. So I think here we should have 12 volt. So the voltage to the power button should have like a 3 volt. The IR receiver should be having a 3 volt. So we should have some 3 volt in this connector, because that's what is going to the IR and is going to the balance. So we have no voltage here in the apron. The pin number 5, we should have like a 3 volt, but we have nothing. Here we should have a 12 volt here to have anything, because that 12 is going to be like step down to the 5 volt, 3.3, 1.8, and the other voltages. This controller, I think it works with the 3.3 volt. So let's see if do we have any short in these diodes. Yep, this diodes is shorted to the ground. Let me disconnect the power and we check in the diode mode. Yep, these diodes are shorted. And yeah, because we have the voltage here, as you see, the voltage is rising slow here, because the short is making like pouring a load in this transformer. So because we have the voltage right here, it's mean all the primary side is good. The MOSFET over there, the switching IC should be good. But here we have the problem in the output. So let's take the board and we check the diodes. So these 2 diodes, that's what the one we need to check. The ones is here. So we take the diodes one side and let's check them. They're in a diode mode. Or 0.2. 0.2. Open. So the short is not in the diodes. So where is going to be the short? So we still have the short over there. Yeah, the diode test okay. These diodes. So we can inject some voltage, like about 4 volt, 3 volt. Is the 3 volt? Yeah, it's taken. It says a 3 volt over there, and so it's taking about 3 amps, 4 amps. Some heat in this area. Yeah, we have some heat over there. So in this area here could be this IC, could be this IC right here, this capacitor, this diode, this capacitor right here, or this something right here. So let's put some alcohol. Yeah, look like it's that capacitor. Yep, is that capacitor. This capacitor right over there. This one right here. So yeah, let's check it to see if it's tested short. Yep, it's short. Let's remove that capacitor and see if that's gonna fix the problem. Do we know how many microfarad in that capacitor? I don't know. So that's why I'm not going to replace it. So let's see right now. It's not short anymore. Yep, it's not short. And so to this point here where it was the diode, we have 1 point something, so it's good. Yep, we soldered the diodes back and let's test it. We'll install the board and let's plug it to the power. Alright, yeah, now we have the standby light. So of course we are going to have some voltage in these diodes. Yep, we have 12 volt in these diodes. So on the apron we should have 3.3. Here is 3.3 volt. Alright, let's push the power button. Yeah, the light is blue. They did see a backlight. Yeah, the TV on and this works. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.